Welcome back to TechnoSurgeon YouTube channel. So, first of all, we have news regarding Nvidia, and it comes from DigiTimes. And Nvidia has signed an order with TSMC for its 3 nanometer process nodes. And yeah, it's pretty insane because we know like Nvidia's AI dominates like 80% of the total monopoly, and now they are going all in, and they had signed the order for 3 nanometer process families in the second half for the second half of 2024. So maybe their gaming GPUs are coming in first half of 2025, which lines perfectly. And B100, which is Blackwell's 100 model, which is Nvidia's Grace CPU. I don't know what they will call in the future, but yeah, Nvidia's Grace CPU was based on Hopper, Hopper H100, and now the next one is called B100, which is set in Blackwell. And for the first time, we know like the Blackwell is going to be for both AI and gaming GPU. So this just gives us an idea like generally AI GPUs launch before and after a few months gaming cards is launched, and it is scheduled to be appear in the fourth quarter of 2024 B100. So the Nvidia's release date for RTX 50 series in 2025 is looking pretty incorrect as of now, but I will keep you updated regarding it. But yeah, this just confirms it. Nvidia is on the roll regarding RTX 50 series, and let's just see what they are cooking with DLSS 4. Also, I have made a video regarding the Meteor Lake coming to PC, though in that video the spokesperson said like desktop Meteor Lake is coming to the desktop, but and it's an interview with PC World. But I told you like it's not going to be happening. I was a bit mediocre without about it, and now it turns out to be true because yeah, the Intel's persons came out and told us something which is pretty interesting. First of all, they told like Meteor Lake is coming to desktop, but it's not coming to desktop as we all know. Therefore, LG socket and some stuff like that. It is only coming for all-in-one pieces. So basically, it is coming for Dell or HP's all-in-one, Lenovo's all-in-one. And I don't like those models because yeah, there's no upgrade functionality. They are basically desktop all-in-one desktop, but you have laptop CPUs in there, which is a weird scene because they are not that powerful. They don't need to be powerful because they are not used for content creation or everything else. It's just like a normal laptop but with a bigger screen. And yeah, it's coming to desktop, but it's not going to come to desktop like PC building communities and stuff like that. But it is available in LGA in all-in-one CPUs. So if you want that, just go buy it. I am not a big fan of it, but yeah. And yeah, it's pretty a weird move that because Meteor Lake should come to desktop because those processors are looking pretty nice as of now. Next up, we have some news regarding RX 580. Basically, it comes from Kepler, and he said like the GCN architecture has been decapitated. Basically, the support is ending by the end of this year. So all the way down from RX 480, RX 580, and then all the way down to Navi GPUs are going to get no support as at this point. Like there won't be any driver support, but there will be like security packages for next year or so, and then it will be stop working, which is a weird move. But yeah, it is what it is. So basically, if you are not with RDNA 1 like RX 5000 series, then you are at a loss because you won't be getting any support. And it is a weird kind of a movie because Ryzen 5000 G processors includes Navi GPU, so there might be a chosen GPUs which can be getting a software updates or stuff like that, because I think my laptop has a Radeon RX. I think it has Navi GPU in it, but yeah, I need to check about it. But it is a bad move because yeah, RX 580 and Polaris GPUs were pretty high end at their time, and they were pretty nice. They were cheap, and yeah. And next up for today, we have some nice news regarding RX 8000 series, and it comes directly from Red Gaming Tech, and we already know that like there won't be any high end 8000 parts like which is based on Navi 5, RDNA 4 and stuff. And yeah, the RX 8000 series won't have 1800 XT or 8800 XT, but we know that they will be focusing on mid-range with these GPUs. Like there will be insane price to performance, and this leak coming from Red Gaming Tech just confirms it at this point. And it's pretty insane. This news is pretty interesting. So first of all, for today, the first thing that is shown off, according to the leaks, is it comes with 32 WDG, like a work processor groups, and 32 is significant of 64 CUs, 64 compute units, which is 4096 cores, which is pretty interesting because RX 6800 XT or 7800 XT comes with less, 3000 cores, almost 3000. But this is pretty interesting because Navi 48 and 48 RDNA 4 configuration will come with 32 worker groups, so it is interesting. So basically, this mid-range GPUs can provide significant uplift in native performance compared to like 7800 XT or stuff like that. So it's pretty interesting. On other part, NVIDIA is focusing on DLSS and AMD is going all in with native resolutions and price to performance, which is interesting to see. And let's see how things turns out. I'm pretty interested in it as of now. And yeah, let's see how things turns out to be. And since there is no high-end segment for RTX 4050, there is no high end for RX 8000 series. Let's just hope like Nvidia doesn't increase the pricing of RTX 40, 5080 or 5090. Though we know it will happen, but yeah, let's just hope it doesn't happen. But yeah, that's it from me today. What do you think about the news? Sound of your thoughts in the comment section below. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll meet you in the next one. Peace. Ouch.